Hey there, what's up? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're gonna make some Easter eggs. We're gonna add some textures on it. So yeah, before we do that, if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. Okay, first thing, make sure you're on the fill. This is the fill. Click on the stroke and click on this none. We go back to the fill, click on the fill. We're gonna add a color. I'm gonna add a gray. Go to this. Where's the rectangle tool? Select the ellipse tool, press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a circle. Go to the direct selection tool, select it, select this anchor point and bring it up. Also press Shift so you isolate it and you don't pretty much move to left or right. It's pretty much isolated in there. So something like this. This should look like an egg. I think it's too tall. Okay, this one is more accurate. Okay, go to the direct selection tool again, select this anchor point from here and click on delete. Now go to the Pathfinder and click unite. If you don't have the Pathfinder, go to the Windows and select Pathfinder. This usually is not activated, so do that. So we're gonna make a 3D egg right now. So before we go to the 3D, make sure you have some free RAM, because this thing eats a lot of RAM. So for example, if you have a lot of Chrome tabs opened, that's gonna eat a lot of RAM, so you won't have RAM for this effect. So you go to effects, you go to 3D and revolve. Now it's like vice versa. You need to go to the right edge because it was on the left edge. Click OK. I'm gonna create a new artboard, and here I'm going to make some some patterns, some nice elements what we want to put basically on the eggs. So I'm gonna select the black as usual. I'm gonna select the rectangle tool. So this is going to be some brainstorming session. This is not like a tutorial kind of thing. But anyways, I gotta show you the shortcuts and whatever, like how it's done. So yeah, press and hold Alt, grab it down, and recolor it to white. Select both, press and hold Alt, and then Shift and drag it. Alt, drag, and Shift. So that's the order. Let me see if these are okay. Wait, Control D, no. I'm gonna do it again. So do the same thing until they intersect here and then press Control D. So they're gonna copy paste, right click, group. I'm gonna make a new version of this. So the main idea is that I'm gonna bring these down. So I'm gonna press Control R. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about because it's a little bit complicated. So press Control R so you can activate the ruler, and long press on the ruler and then just drag it to this path. Okay. Select the direct selection tool, select all these anchor points and drag. Just select this anchor point then and press and hold Shift. Just drag it down here. So it's going to be like this. We're going to create a hypnotic effect, So these eventually going to go round and connect on the egg. Why is this black? Because I'm gonna go, yeah. Anyways, the color won't matter because it will be invisible eventually, and these are going to be on it. So that's a thing. Now we're gonna create some more stuff. Decrease the size. I'm gonna make some zigzags. Go and select this, the line segment tool. And now we don't need the fill, we're gonna need the stroke right now. So I'm gonna go and hit this, swap fill and stroke. So you're on the stroke. I'm gonna go to the black color and create a line. I'm gonna edit this, go to effects. What is that? Distort and transform, Zig Zag. Gonna decrease the size, gonna increase this. To some more, decrease some size. Yeah, this is good. I'm gonna increase the stroke. You can increase or decrease the stroke here, Or you can also do it right here. Where's the stroke? And this is good. I'm gonna create a new copy, press and hold Alt, drag it, and then press Shift. Now we're gonna go back to the settings, to the appearance. If you don't have the appearance, go to Windows and select appearance right here. And you can see here the effects that you applied on the shapes and forms. So go to the Zig Zag and press Smooth. And we're gonna edit this a little. That's cute. That's really nice. I like this. How it looks. I'm gonna press OK. So we got a zigzag and we got a smooth. I'm gonna go to Object, select both, expand, go to Object again, expand again. Okay, I'm gonna create a new copy of this. So as you can see, they're gonna intersect somewhere. I mean, they don't even intersect anyways. I'm gonna recolor this to white. And now I'm gonna create some copies. Press and hold Alt, drag it, press Shift. It doesn't matter where they are right now. Just put it somewhere. And I'm gonna press Control D. Yeah, this should be good. So ungroup it and then press this right here, the vertical distribute center. So it's gonna distribute equally between them. As you can see, it's not good what is going on here, so we need to cut it down. I'm gonna cut it off from this side. So I'm gonna create a new shape. I'm gonna pull it here where the anchor point is, and they intersect it right there. I'm gonna do the same thing here. I want to cut off this part. Shift plus M. That's the shortcut for the shape builder tool. Select the shape builder tool and now press and hold Alt and also press and hold Shift at the same time. And you just select these and they just cut it off, cut down. Okay, and now we're left with this. I'm gonna right click and group this. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. As you can see here, we got some distances going on between them. So I'm gonna put a right above, of the black, and I'm gonna repaint this to white. And I can actually put it more like that. Okay. Control D. Right click on group and click again to the vertical distribution center, or what is that? Right click, group. Okay, now we got these. And now I'm gonna create a new copy of this. Press and hold Alt and drag it and press Shift. Press and hold Shift, rotate it. This is gonna be another stuff, a new texture on the egg. Whoa. What did I do? Yeah, with this, I'm gonna create another copy. Something like this. I'm gonna right click on group, right click. Okay, it's ungrouped everything. I'm gonna go and click on this horizontal distribution center. But it's perfect. So the main idea is to distribute it equally. So these are equally there. And it's gonna show perfect. I'm gonna create a new copy of this. Put it right here. Ungroup. Okay, and again, click on this. And we should be all set. Control G. Let me think, what else can I make? I'm gonna make another one. Okay, I'm gonna make, wait, this is the black. This is the 100% black. So there's like dark gray and then there's the black, the pure black. I'm gonna create another copy, drag it here near it. And I'm gonna create a white. Select, wait, it's not good. Now this is where they intersect. Yeah, I'm gonna create a new copy. Control D, something like that. Right click, group, press and hold Alt, and drag it here. Gonna do the same way, select both and create some cute effect. Okay, right click. Wait, I don't need this one. I'm gonna select them with the direct selection tool and delete it. Okay, this is it. Control G. Okay, let's go with another shape with a circle. I'm gonna copy the black circle, create another copy, then copy these, select them all, and click on the Pathfinder to the divide. On group, and of course select this eyedropper tool and just click on the black. And what we're gonna need is this interior part. We're gonna delete the rest. Oh, snap. Okay, I'm gonna scale it down. So we are not working with the what is that? Because right now I'm creating a pattern. So we are not working with the pattern option, which is located right here, the pattern. This is not good because if you want to make a symbol out of the pattern, then it won't apply on the egg. You're gonna make some weird stuff out of that, so it's not valid. So we're gonna do it manually. Actually, it needs to be right here. Oh, actually, I don't even need to do that. Bingo. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. I'm actually gonna scale this down a little more. Group it and do some copies. There you go. Control D. Right click, group. Okay. We're all set. What else? Okay, I'm thinking another one. I'm gonna make circles. This is gonna be simple. You're gonna unite so it won't. Okay, add some distances between. Group. I think I'm gonna actually no. This distance is pretty good. I'm gonna eyeball it real quick. Right click, group. And now I need to add a background. That's gonna be black and the dot's gonna be white to have some more impact. Look how it looks. It's genius. Yeah. I think I should create half of the distance where it's like this one. So we got this, the full distance. Wait, and this is the half of the distance. So I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna put it here as a reference. Press and hold Shift. Wait a minute, I did something wrong with this, so it's not good. I'm gonna remake it again. Redo this again, and yeah, there you go. Or is this good? Yeah, it should be good. Yeah, this is the correct calculation. I'm gonna eyeball these because we really don't need the top and bottom. Okay, select them all, group it, and we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 patterns. Okay, not bad. I gotta go with 10 patterns so far, and eventually if I find some new stuff, then I'm gonna add those patterns too. But right now you go to the symbol. If you don't have the symbol, go to Windows and select the symbols. And just drag one of the patterns here and click OK. I'm gonna drag them all. I was also thinking like make a new one and just rotate it once so I get this. No, I'm just not going with it. So anyways, I'm gonna create also 10 copies from these. 1, 2, 3. I got that 3 here. Whoa, 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 what I did. Anyways, Shift plus O. And boom, we got some eggs going on. Okay, I'm gonna click on the first one, go back to the appearance, click on the 3D revolve. And now we're gonna go to the map art, click on the invisible geometry, it's right here, and select the first pattern for it. And click on scale to fit. Click OK, and we get the first one. Of course, you can edit this, like the position, like the 3-dimensional position of it, but you can't basically undo it. But and right now I want to leave it like this because I pretty much like it. And that's the problem. If you edit this, you can't undo it. So right now I'm not editing it. This one eventually I'm going to edit this because this is going to be that hypnotic effect. So I'm gonna go to 3D, map art, invisible geometry. Yes, I'm gonna go to the second. So this is basically gonna be the one. See that they connect in a different way. And what I need to do is correct it accordingly. Whoa, wait a sec. So yeah, you just need to be really gentle. Okay, I think I nailed it. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna rotate this to you so you can see the top of the egg. This is what you need to get out of this. So you can see this little error. After you expand, you can remove it or it's gonna disappear or you're gonna do something. But you know, until you're in this effect, you're gonna have this stuff going on. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it something like this. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna go to the next 3D. What is that? Map art. Third, invisible, whatever, scale to fit. And here I'm gonna drag this down until we're not remained with this invisible part. Like this. Click OK. Click OK. And there you go. After this, I am going to, eventually edit some of the positions. Which one is the fourth? Make it fit. Ooh, this one's really dense. So again, the same trick. I go out here and here. Oh, look at that. Looks so beautiful. Looking so beautiful. Click OK. OK. And voila. 3D map invisible. Which one is that? Fourth, fifth. Scale to fit. Oh man, this is not that good. I mean, it's alright, but I wanted to make it more dense. Oh yeah, of course. I didn't. I'm gonna go to object, expand. I didn't make some copies out of this, so I'm gonna make some copies. There you go. I'm gonna control group it, and I want to make another one with even more, because I feel like this is gonna be even more interesting. Gonna go back to symbols. Symbols, there we go. And I'm planning to try it out both. I mean to leave it with both. Just make it both. Boom. And run this. Okay, it's okay. All right. And I'm gonna try out the other one, which is even more dense. That's gonna be wild. This one. No, this is less dense. This was the more dense. Anyways, they look brilliant both. Let's go on. And this one, scale to fit. Oh yeah, there, we got some problems and we need to connect those also. I'm gonna go out with this, and I'm gonna click OK and then zoom in, so I'm gonna see, so I can see like what I'm doing right there. Whoa, not that much. So this is like really sensitive, the stuff that I'm moving. Eventually I'm gonna need to correct it manually because this thing is bending. So this is clean, but this is not clean because of the curvature. And eventually I'm probably gonna leave it like this, because oh snap, it was almost perfect. No. Oh, I don't know. Damn, it's so difficult to edit this one. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this, click OK, and after this I'm gonna edit it, the final, when all of them are gonna be okay. Where's the, I think I was on this one. Yes, I'm gonna clear. That was the 5th. Now we're at the 6th one. Scale to fit. We got the same problem. Damn. Gonna go out. And I think it's perfect now. We got all the stuff going on because we got some empty spaces going on between these lines. But after you expand, you have like 2 pieces of eggs, and one of them are going to be the good ones. So anyways, don't worry about the errors. What's this? Oh, okay. Actually, I forgot to put a background object. Expand. Okay. I'm gonna put a white background, so my mistake. Put it to the bottom. Control Shift right bracket. I mean left. Sorry, left bracket. Group it and put it to the symbol. Click OK, go back, and now where is that? Come on. Come on. Whoops, not there. Scale to fit, and there you go. We still need to connect this part. Ah, snap. Let me try it out, vice versa. No. Ah, yeah, it won't work out because... Oh, I know what's the problem. So you can see half of the... Yeah, so basically this part is going under this part, so it's like curving that way. So what I need to do is cut down to half one of these. So let me do an experiment real quick. Expand, and I need to cut out this eventually. And I'm also thinking to cut off eventually this also. No. Okay, I'm about to try out all this trick. and pull it to the symbols. So this way, if this one is cut off, eventually these can connect. I don't know, I'm gonna try it out. I saw that was the problem. 3D, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, thought I solved the problem, but wait a sec. I'm starting to get there. Look at that, see? And there you go, made it. Maybe not perfect, but almost there. So it should look something like that. And now, lastly, I think we still have the dots. No, this is not, definitely not that. I think this is the one, yeah. Okay, okay. So wait. Not bad. Okay. So yeah, this is it. You also can bend it like these, like put in different positions. But yeah, right now this is what I could do in this video. Hope you like it, and yeah, check out the other videos as well, and have a good day. Bye bye.